Congratulations! You've recently purchased a Bambu Lab H2D Combo 3D printer from Microcenter. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of unboxing, assembling, and setting up your new 3D printer, as well as starting your first 3D print. You'll need a pair of scissors to cut the zip ties on the box. It will take 2 people. Carefully place the box on the ground in an open area, ensuring that the box is right side up. Cut the 2 zip ties on the top of the box. There are 4 box clip fasteners on either side of the box. Pull to unlock the box clip fasteners. Completely pull out the 4 box clip fasteners. Lift and remove the outer box. Always keep your packaging in case of a return or a warranty claim. There are 2 cardboard handles holding the large piece of styrofoam in place. Lift the 2 cardboard handles and then remove the styrofoam. The manual will be sitting on the top of the accessory box. Take this time to familiarize yourself with the steps of the build process. Next, you'll find the parts box. The parts box will contain everything that you see here, and we will review the contents of the parts box later. You will need the Allen key H2 tool in future steps. Make sure to take it out of the parts box. Remove the styrofoam piece on the top. Remove the tape that's on the side that's holding the surrounding cardboard. Now you can remove the cardboard piece and the foam piece from the base. Remove the yellow stickers from the sides and open the top of the plastic bag. Then you can pull the bag down and fold it over the 4 corners of the bottom cardboard piece. To lift the printer, it will require 2 people. Carefully lift the printer out of the bottom cardboard piece and the plastic bag, and then place the printer on a table. Carefully remove the plastic tape from around the top panel. Lift the top panel by the handle. We'll remove the surrounding cardboard on the top panel later. Set the top panel aside for now. Remove the plastic tape around the front panel. Open the front panel and carefully remove the plastic wrapper on the front panel. Remove the foam pieces sitting on the top. With the front door open, you'll find that the AMS is secured inside the printer with these 4 screws which have orange indicators to indicate their location. Use the Allen key H2 tool to remove the 4 screws. Remove 2 more screws from the plastic pieces using the Allen key H2 tool. Then you can remove the plastic pieces. Gently take out the AMS 2 Pro through the top of the printer and set it aside for now. A supporting styrofoam piece may fall out of the printer during this step. Don't worry, that's normal, you can just set it aside. Remove a total of 4 screws from the bottom plastic piece using the Allen key H2 tool. Take out the bottom plastic piece. Remove the nearby styrofoam pieces. Remove the tape from the side. We will remove the other tape after unlocking the heat bed. The heat bed is secured to the printer by 4 screws with orange indicators. Remove these 4 screws using the Allen key H2 tool to unlock the heat bed. Now you can remove the tape near the heat bed. There are foam pieces located underneath the heat bed. You'll remove these later after powering on the printer. There are 3 zip ties holding the tool head in place. Cut the 3 zip ties using a pair of scissors. Push the tool head to the front of the printer, then remove the surrounding foam pieces. Remove these 2 foam pieces to unlock the Z-axis. Pull off the tape near the top of the printer. Now you can install the top glass panel. Remove the surrounding cardboard pieces on the panel. Set it on the top of the printer with the handle facing the front. Now let's assemble the AMS 2 Pro. Peel off the plastic wrap around the AMS 2 Pro and open the AMS 2 Pro. There are 2 desiccant packs and accessories for the AMS 2 Pro located inside. Peel off the tape on the back compartment. Now you can remove the plastic bags of the desiccant and place it into the back compartment. Remove the foam piece that's covering the filament inlets. Close the AMS 2 Pro and lock it, and you can place it on top of the printer. On the back, remove the adhesive tape near the exhaust, and take off the tape attached to the safety key. Remove 2 pieces of tape on the handle slots of the printer. Onto the back of the printer, there is a separate inlet for TPU filaments. There are 2 extruders located on the back for the right and the left hot ends. The right extruder corresponds to the right hot end, and the left extruder corresponds to the left hot end. If you are using two AMS2 Pro units, this allows you to use an AMS on each hot end. We will be setting up one AMS2 Pro and one external spool. Remove the longer PTFE tube from the parts box. Insert it into the AMS2 Pro's filament outlet and push the tube forward until it stops. Insert the other end of the longer PTFE tube into the right extruder and push the tube forward until it stops. Plug the Bambu bus cable 6-pin into the back of the AMS2 Pro and into the printer. It can be plugged into either interface on the AM2 Pro. Now you can install the spool holder. To install the spool holder, match the notch with the spool holder base. Slide the spool holder downward against the printer until it locks in place. Insert the shorter PTFE tube to the left extruder, and then plug in the other end to the spool holder's PTFE tube coupler, pushing it in until it stops. We will now insert the safety key into the installation slot located above the power socket. Please do not skip this step as the printer cannot be powered on without it. Plug the power cable into the port on the back of the printer and turn on the H2D using the power switch. Your H2D combo is all assembled and ready to set up. When the printer is turned on, the screen will automatically turn on. You will be prompted to select the language. We'll select English and click Next. Select your region. In this case, we'll go with North America. Here, we will set up the Wi-Fi. Select your preferred Wi-Fi and then enter your password. The printer is now connected to Wi-Fi. You can log into your Bambu Handy app. If you do not have a Bambu account, you can skip this step, but we do recommend setting up an account and linking the printer. We are using our Bambu account and the Bambu Handy app on an iPad. Simply press the plus symbol at the top of the app, and this will open up the camera. Scan the QR code on the screen, and you can link the printer to your account. This allows you to print remotely from anywhere that you can access your account. Read the terms and conditions on the Bambu Handy app and then confirm. Your Bambu account is now linked with the printer. Click Next. Read the terms and conditions and then click Agree. You can skip the User Experience Improvement Program if you choose. Now the printer is ready for calibration. Ensure that the heat bed is unlocked and hit Next when ready. Click on Start to calibrate. During the calibration, the printer will raise the heat bed. Now you can remove the foam pieces that are located underneath the heat bed. Press Get Started once the calibration is complete. You can now load your filament so you can start printing. Place at least one spool of filament into the AMS2 Pro with the lead of the filament over the top of the spool. Press down on the filament inlet to open the slot for the filament and feed the filament in. The filament will automatically preload when detected by the printer. Close the AMS2 Pro and turn the buckle to lock the filament inside of the AMS2 Pro. You are now ready to print with the AMS2 Pro. Place a spool on the single spool holder and make sure that the lead of the spool is facing clockwise. Thread the filament manually through the PTFE tube until it stops. You are now ready to print with a single spool. On the screen, select the filament button to configure the AMS settings. The AMS2 Pro is detected. Click on Set It Up Now and go to Manual Mode. Select the AMS icon and then click on Join Right since we inserted the filament into the right extruder. Then press Confirm. Press on OK. Select the spool on the AMS icon that you want to add filament to and press Edit. This will allow you to program the material type and the color of the filament on the AMS2 Pro. Click on the single spool icon and press Edit. This will allow you to program the material type and the color of the filament on the single spool holder. Your H2D is ready for its first print. Each printer will come with some files already pre-installed. On the home screen, click on the Print Files button. Select a file to start the first print. We will print the benchy as our first print. Select benchy and press OK. Click Next and the printer will ask you which filament you want to use. We will use this neon green PLA installed in slot number 2. Then press Print and the printer will take the rest from here. The printer will begin its first print. A benchy is a good first print to ensure that everything is working correctly. Once the first print is done, you can analyze it and see if there are any settings that need adjustment. Congratulations, you're all set and ready to start printing with your Bambu Lab H2D combo. Be sure to stop by your local microcenter if you have any questions, need any assistance with your printer, or if you want to pick up any additional filament or parts.